Three tips that you can use when you're creating a Google Doc and that Google Doc has student instructions for an assignment or a project. First thing is when it comes to website links. If you paste the entire URL in a website, it's kind of messy and it's not great for students who use screen readers. So let's look at an example. If I copy this website in and I paste it here, of course, it's going to hyperlink, but if I have a student who's using a screen reader, this is going to read out every letter, which is kind of messy for the student to hear. And it doesn't look great when the URL is all spelled out like this. So if I click on that URL, you notice that it's hyperlinked and it says replace URL with the title. If I say yes, it makes it nice and neat. And now when a student's reading that, they can see the title of the website instead of reading out that entire URL. The other nice thing that Google Docs now has built in are checkboxes. So let's say you're giving students a large project and they have certain things that they need to do along the way. If I have a list of things at the top of the instructions, I can go to insert a checklist, and then as students work on that checklist, it will cross items off for them. Lastly, if you have a YouTube video that you want to embed, if you get the YouTube URL, you can do a couple things with that. So I'm going to go up and make sure I get the URL for this video at the top, not by clicking on the share down here. So always get it up at the top. Go back to my document and paste it in. And a couple things, if I click it, you'll notice that it asks me replace URL either with a chip or a link. So if I do chip, it does this nice built-in title of the YouTube video, and I click it, and there is a preview that the student can watch right within the Google document.